Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today we are going to do a blindfolded slime challenge by feeling what slime we have. Daddy and Mommy are going to let Daddy's still with me. If you want to see the one that me and Daddy made together, it's right up there. So let's get started.
Okay, I've got some little cups. Put your blindfold on. You're going to stick your fingers in and tell me if it's slime or not. Alright, you ready?
Yes!
Alright,
Oh,
Daddy, close your eyes. We'll start with the easy one. Meela first. Stick your finger out. Stick your finger out.
This feels like slime. I think it is.
Alright, Daddy, stick your fingers out. Straight down. One finger, really.
Oh.
Slime or no slime?
Yes.
Guess what?
Slime.
You guys want to see?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead. It is the slime you just made.
Wow.
That's your, your control. That's how slime should feel. It's a little hard though.
Slime. See? Round 2.
Alright, close.
We just did round 1, now it's round 2.
Our fingers pointed down. Daddy first.
Okay.
Now Meela. Alright guys, slime or no slime?
No slime.
No.
Open your eyes. It is dried out slime.
Oh my.
Dried out slime. I was like, what is this? I think it's no slime.
Yep, see, this is what happens when you leave it sit.
Listen.
It's all dry and rubbery. See if it bounces. A little bit. Alright, blindfold's on. We got more to go.
Next, round number 3. I go first this time.
Okay.
It's paper towel.
You sure?
Yeah.
What did it feel like?
Kind of like wet paper towels.
Yeah.
You guys are right. Wet paper towel. Right here.
Wet paper towel. With glitter in it.
Alright, you ready?
Round number 4. Ready.
Daddy first.
I wonder what she's gonna have next. Crunchy ball slime.
Yeah? Daddy?
Yeah, I'll go with that.
Crunchy ball slime it is.
Yes, I made that one. I made this just right today.
Technically it was made and you just had to put the crunchies in.
Yeah.
It's all
Now,
crunchy.
round number 5. That tattoos on me, by the way. My mommy did tag. Right in front of the
Ready?
paper towel.
Meela? Fingers.
Ooh, avocado!
Your favorite.
Yeah!
Avocado with glitter.
Oops. We'll put glitter on their finger. Hungry? You ready for the next round, or are you gonna have a snack first?
Next round. That's the hilarious slime ever.
Okay. What round number are we on?
Now, round number 6. Ding, ding, ding.
7.
Wait, what?
Oh yeah, 6. Fingers.
Oh, it's not. It's cover. Wait, I think it's my healer stuff. Oh, healer.
What do you guys think?
Water healer.
Ice water.
Ice water, ice water.
Reveal. It's pop.
Oh
What
my.
kind of pop?
Strawberry. Alright, I got more to go. Come on.
My drink.
Ready? Close your eyeballs.
My drink.
No.
I prefer.
You both go
Round
together.
number 7.
Fingers down.
Slime. It's slime.
Alright, now switch. Finger down.
Tell me slime.
What kind of slime?
Purple and dark pink.
Yep. You remember, huh? In little jars.
Yeah. Round number 8. Round number 8. Round 8.
Fingers down. Up low.
Oh my gosh, it's my healer stuff. Then I got all over me. I got healer stuff all over me.
What do you think,
It's
Daddy?
healer stuff.
Almost feels like pudding.
You ready? It's sour cream.
No! I thought it was my healer stuff. Yeah!
Love you.
Yeah!
That was close.
I need new napkin.
Put it on your avocado. It tastes real yummy.
Yeah!
Okay, Meela.
Alrighty, next.
Round number 9.
Alright, eyeballs.
I thought that clear. Daddy goes first. Oh, I think it's water.
Room temperature water?
Yep. Water. Figured you needed your fingers cleaned after that. No.
I
Ready?
make use free.
I got 3 left.
Round number 10.
Eyeballs.
I guess first.
Fingers down.
Slime.
Kind of slime.
Purple with glitter.
Are you looking?
No.
Well, do you think you're right?
Yeah.
Then look.
She remembers.
Squitch, squitch. Or is it squelch?
Squish, squish, squelch. Squish, squish, squelch. Round number 11.
Eyeballs.
Daddy, eyeballs. I go first.
Fingers down.
It's my healer.
How do you know? Get your fingers out. Meela, stop putting your fingers back in. Oh, now you're dripping all over.
It's totally my healer stuff.
Open your eyes. You can rub that on your legs or in your hair or anywhere you want to.
What are these balls?
Oh, why did you have to like shove your fingers all the way in and keep them in?
What is this?
Coconut.
Balls.
Coconut.
It's coconut oil.
Could have just rubbed it in.
Now my fingers are gonna smell like it. I got a gem and a unicorn.
Ready for the last one?
Round number 12. Yes! Round number 12. 10 and 12. 6. Daddy goes first this time. I think it's gonna be glitter.
Okay, Meela.
Slime that we made second.
Open up.
Who wants me to make a donut bubble with this kind of slime?
Try.
Hit it in the subscribe button.
What do you have to say about your slime challenge?
It was amazing.
Oh yeah, here's your snack bag.
And a drink. Can't believe she did soda. I'm gonna do my own slime challenge. You know how? My own way. What?
We just did 2 slime challenges.
Avocado.
Ew.
What?
You put avocado flavoring into your soda.
Sorry.
Sorry about what? You gotta drink it.
Bye.